Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. Continuing on our Project 5.0, as we've nicknamed it. This is our 2014 Electric Glide Police Harley Davidson motorcycle. As part of our install, we've put some really nice speakers in it. We've done a lot of work as far as cost on that part, as well as a new lithium battery. And we just want to make sure as we move forward that we're secure, that our bags don't fall off going down the road, that our seat can't be stolen as we're at events. So I want to show you some products from Robert Becker Designs. We've done some other videos in the past, but we're going a little bit further today. In a sense, I'm going to show you the seat lock, how that you install it to make sure somebody can't steal your nice, expensive seat and your computer underneath it, as well as the bag locks. So this bike's a 14. In 2014, they had the quarter turns that held the bags on. So it's a really big problem that going down the road, sometimes people look back and a bag's just missing. Now you got to go back and figure out where it went. Did somebody else get damage to their vehicle from it? And what all did you lose in the process? The other thing is we see a lot of guys getting their bags stolen. It's so easy to walk up, open a bag, remove a couple quarter turns or even the spin-in bolts on the 17, 18 and newers and steal your whole bag. Now they've got your very expensive Hertz speakers, your cut kits, and your whole bag. So you're out quite a bit of money trying to figure out what to do, and definitely not going to be a good day. A lot of you guys have subs, additional amps, and so on in there as well. So this is what we have found the best way to secure all this where nobody can steal it. It takes a lot of time to remove speakers, to remove amps out of your bag. It's very easy to steal the whole bag. This stops that process. So if you decide you want to do the bags and the seat, we also can sell them with matching lock codes. There's over 90 different key codes for these, but if you reach out to us and say, I want to buy both as a set, we'll match them up so one key operates both your seat and your bags. Let me show you how to put on the seat lock first, and then we'll get into our bags, and I'll show you how to change out those quarter turns for these nice locking twist-in bolts. All right, so I want to tell you a little bit about Robert Becker Designs. So Robert is a veteran of our military. We really try to support our veterans. We also try to support American-made products, and he does both. So he's engineered and made this here in the U.S., and everything about it is machined and built here in the U.S. as well. So here's what the system consists of. We have this really cool bolt that Robert has made that is just basically a thumb screw. You're used to these. You start it on your bag. Just tighten it on down. And then it consists of this cap. So these caps are available in many different colors and layouts to match the design and the look of your bike. I've got a lot of white and black going on, so I went with an all black cap. All you do is push this little tab in which locks it, and you'll see there's this little part that is sticking out inside. That, when you stick down on this bolt, is going to fit into these little half circles and allow this now to be a tool that tightens the bolt down. So this is your wrench to tighten the bolt. You want to make sure it's good and tight, so it doesn't come loose easy. At that point, you take your key, you stick it in, and you unlock this, and you're going to see that little part in there come out. It's now sticking out. So now we push this down, all the way down, and then lock it. We're now in another groove that this just spins freely, and you cannot take the bolt out without unlocking this. So now our seat is secure. It'd be very, very difficult to steal the seat. There's also another setup if you've got a two-up seat or the two separate pieces. There's a set of bolts when you're not running the rear section of the seat that you can get as well. It's sold separately. These are all available at volunteeraudio.com. So you can go on there, go to our motorcycle section, and you'll see where we've got our security section where we have our locks. So you can see all the different color combos, order it right there. They're in stock. They ship out within 24 hours, and you'll have them soon after. Now let me show you how to install these in the bag as well. All right, so again, this being a 14 model, it still has the quarter turns. So we're going to remove the two quarter turns. And we're going to go ahead and remove the entire bag off the bike for a minute. We're going to change out the hardware in behind to make sure that we can no longer have the quarter turn and it'll thread in and lock in. So let me get the bag off the bike. Now, so this is very simple. In your kit is going to come with this new hardware. Now you only need to do one of these. If one of these is locked, your bag can't fall off and somebody can't steal it. So you can pick whether you want to do the front or the rear. In this case, I'm going to change out the rear one. So I'm going to take a little screwdriver and I'm going to pop this out so I can put the new one in place. There we have it. So just prying out on this allows it to slide out. The new one is made very similar. And since all we do, same process. Actually, let me get it right. Flip it the right way. Same process, and just slides back into that factory location. A little screwdriver to pry it out a little bit for us. All right, so now we've replaced that hardware. We have a good place to thread in our locking bolt. Let's get our bag back on. Now there's one other step on the bag. So the rubber grommet here, you're gonna pop it out and flip it over because we wanna make it where we have, I think it's the thin side to the outside. Let me read you what it says here on the directions. Because there's not a lot of steps to this. We wanna make sure we get them all done. So right here, on 14 to 16, that's what we have. Select front or rear, which we did. We selected rear. The rubber grommet needs to be removed and reinstalled with the thin side on the inside. So we're just going to flip it and put it the opposite direction and put our bag back on. I want to make sure and plug my speaker back in. I'm going to put my front quarter turn back in place. These locks are available in a lot of different colors and layouts. So we did an all black back here in the back, but in this case I did a black with a chrome lock in it this time on the rear. So all we're going to do is take that same bolt, line it up with our hardware, start it by hand, thread the bolt all the way in. Just like we showed you before, lock it so that little tab is sticking out. That's going to allow us to drop that into this bolt and tighten it on down. You'll feel it click as it gets tighter. Very, very secure, so we don't have to worry about it rattling off. Unlock it with our key. Again, we can do a matched set, so the same key will fit the front and the rear, or your lid, or your bags and your seat. So now we've got it unlocked. I'm going to push it all the way in, lock it. Now we have a free spinning bolt. Cannot fall off because now we're more secure, can't be stolen. Amazing product. You're going to get 2 keys with the bag set. You'll get 2 keys with the seat set. So you'll have a total of 4 keys. You only need 1 with you. And just that easy. We've now made it where you can't steal my bag and you can't steal my seat. I think it's a great product. We love supporting American-made products and our veterans too. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this short video on how to install your seat locks along with your bag locks. Robert Becker's done a great design, engineering, a great product, and we love the fact that we're able to support him and be dealers for him and his product. You can get these at volunteeraudio.com. Again, go to the motorcycle section, go to security, and you'll see all the different color combinations, and we keep them all in stock, ready to ship out to you. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any comments or questions, definitely post them below. We'll be happy to reach out. You can call us at 1-844-30-AUDIO to talk to our sales team or our tech team. You can also visit our website, volunteeraudio.com, or send us an email at sales@volaudio.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.